I can't. But we're live now. So, good morning, everybody.
Morning, everybody.
How's it going? Everybody crushing it? Everybody had a good weekend? Let's see. Chat, how are we doing? London is opening in 1 second. Boom, there we go. All right. We're open.
There we go.
Chat, what a pump. Again. Damn. Friday was crazy. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you all had a great weekend, got some recovery, and are now ready for another good week here. This week is going to be a short week for me. Thursday, Friday, you're going to have AI Celine to yourself. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's going to be as usual. Celine, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. I took some time over the weekend to chill out, had a nice rest, and I'm back at it. Hopefully, get some trades today, guys, because we know Friday during the stream I didn't get a setup with you, but it's literally like a few minutes after the stream. Oh no, I think I did enter just as we were closing out the stream, and then ended up taking a loss on that trade. So, wasn't the best result, but I am looking forward to seeing what this week brings. There's a lot happening with the US government reopening. We got red folder news happening this week. We got unemployment data coming out. So it is, I think, set to be a great week for price action, and I'm hoping to catch some big moves this week. So let's see.
Yep. If we could go to my charts really quick, chat. I fucked up on Friday. This last Friday, I just could not accept that we are going higher again, and I was trying to short it all the time, and I hit DLL. Like this has been a long time coming. I have not hit DLL in a very, very, very long time. However, in the mission of transparency here on Tradeify TV, if we look at my Friday, I fucked up heavily. Look at this. A nice minus 3.7K on all my funded accounts. Obviously, this 11th of November, minus 3.7K, that was a platform, like a Project X issue that was reset, so that didn't count. But this one on Friday, I fucked up big time. So I reset over the weekend. I analyzed what I did wrong, and I'm ready to do better this week. But just in the sake of transparency, I fucked up big time, but I still got the account, so that's the most important thing. Now, today, let's look at NQ, actually. For me, based on the price action that we got on Friday, I mean, we had a nice sweep, not only of the Thursday low, but also of the Friday, 7th of November low, right? We swept that and then pushed very, very much up, which, again, I just shorted all the time, which was kind of stupid. However, for today, that means we have a nice bullish setup. Actually, let me remove these drawings here. So there we go. We have a nice bullish setup. I expect expansion to the upside. However, we are tapping into this daily fair value gap at this very moment, right? So we must see how we react to this. But I do expect that we're going higher. On the 4 hour as well, we can see the 6 a.m. candle on Friday was this nice bullish 4 hour candle after sweeping quarterly open. And yeah, we already got expansion from that. So for me personally, I am looking for longs at this moment in time. Celine, what are you seeing?
Yeah, agreed. What we had was this on Friday's close, this massive week to the downside that ends up sweeping again last week's low. So I really like that reaction that we had to that, closing back into the range. And even though it was like a disgustingly doji looking candle on Friday, I think for me that confirms now I would love to see some big movement to the upside this week. But in saying that, like you mentioned, Nick, there is a bearish FVG on the daily just up ahead, and I posted today that I'm looking for this level to see how we react inside this FVG, because this midpoint here at roughly 25, the 390 level, are we going to respect this? Is this going to be an area we reject? And if so, we could see potential downside. But I am hoping that we invert this and then continue to the upside this week. And I've got this level marked out at 25,830 as my next target to the upside overall this week. Just the most recent swing high on the daily. So in the session today, though, however, dropping down to the 4 hour, what we've had is a sweep of previous day's high already. We have a sweep of the previous 4-hour high, also with a really little to no bottom wick on the 4-hour. So I'm actually looking to play reversals off that today to the downside. Potentially could have been another fade with you, Nick, today, but hopefully I can just catch some sort of sell off and then some sort of small retracement, and then what I think overall is what I've been saying all of last week is I still think
the thing is we can only take shorts today, actually, Celine, because GHXST trader says, Nick and Celine, I'm gonna tell you both now, if you are not in NQ shorts right now, you are doomed for London session. Well,
okay, there you go.
That comment didn't age well, because when you said that, we were sitting at like 25,300 and now we're 30 points higher. So
now we're soaring.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
I don't know, but hey, I'll be up for that. I'll be up for the shorts.
Yeah, let's see. Gold. Let's actually look at gold as well. So basically, what we got on gold is on Thursday we had a nice candle 2 closure to the downside, right? Bearish setup. Then Friday was the candle 3. So for today, I do expect another push to the downside, further push to the downside. We have already made an up wick. We've also made a down wick. Right now, it's looking more bullish than bearish. However, I could see this go to like previous week low and 4,000s basically, and then expect a bounce from there. That's what I would see on gold right now, for those of you who asked. But let's see what we can get.
Nice. I also was shorting that on Friday, guys. I just didn't think we were going to push higher. I really thought that was going to be a bit of a rotation. I got stopped a couple of times and then took the weekend to reset, refocus, and now I'm looking bearish again. So we'll see if it works this time.
So GHXST, he is in shorts targeting 24,836. And his stop is above 350. Where exactly is your stop, GHXST? Because I wanna hold you accountable, man. Don't just say
24,836.
Because if it just says above 350, and then we're gonna go to 355 and reverse, he's gonna be like, I had it at 356. So where's your stop? Okay, it's 25,350. All right, cool. I'll mark it on my charts. Let's see. Wishing you the best of luck, man. I hope you're right. I hope you make money. I'm not in a trade right now, so I'm rooting for you, man. To be clear.
Hey, Nick, chat, we could be getting a setup here from my system if we invert on the 1 minute at the moment. So what we've had is currently sweep of the previous 15-minute, sweep of the previous 4-hour, and then we have this open bullish FVG on the 1 minute. So looking for that to invert, and then I'd love to get in that short from roughly 25,322.
All right, nice.
Let's see what we get.
For me, I need to see some more confirmation to switch my bias to short, because as I said, like, it's a strong bullish trend for me at this very moment. Like every single fair value gap, bullish fair value gap is being respected, and Brett is in longs, so that's enough confidence for me to not take shorts at this very moment.
That's true.
If Brett is in longs, you better don't go short. I just tell you that.
He can move an entire market, that guy.
All right, chat. Like goal for today, it's 415. So if you haven't already, make sure you smack that like button's face. Get us to 415 likes, and we're going to do a nice giveaway. Let's see.
A bit of a reaction to that.
Dominic is in shorts. All right, chat. Who's in shorts right now?
And who's already taken trades? First day of the week. Has anyone taken a W already? Taken a loss?
Better no loss.
And congrats also, by the way, there are 5 Team TV people that have made it all the way through to the live finals of the Grand Cup. So let's go to everyone, W in the chat, for all those people that killed it and have made it all the way through. So
nice. That's epic.
I don't know if any of you are here, but congrats. We love to see that you're in Team TV.
Obaid says, just here to watch. We'll trade in New York. Hey, we appreciate you. Make sure you smack the like button so you might win an account here. Krishna, you took a 1 minute CISD entry. Ooh, aggressive.
Nice.
I like it. Aggressive. GHXST has been very transparent here with this trade. I respect that. Let's see if it hits. I'm rooting for you.
I hope it hits. Then I get an entry.
True. True. Future here, yeah, there will be some changes coming. For now, don't worry about anything, honestly. Nothing is going to change for now. Just keep an eye on the Discord. Whenever we have news about that, you will see it in the announcement channel. Same for you.
By the
Nick.
way, guys, this is why I wait for a confirmation on the 1 minute. It's not enough for me to just see a sweep of the previous 4 hour and a sweep of the previous 15 to just get in short, because what we have now is this 1 minute FVG that's being held currently. Prices reacted to it, but no sign of sellers stepping in at this level at all. So that's why I wait for the inversion, just to make sure that there is some sort of bearish momentum happening. And that way you escape getting caught in any sort of chop.
Once this 15-minute closes, I could actually personally see me getting in longs.
You're really going to do it? Hey, where's your white tee today?
It's squash day today. I'm wearing my
my
sports shirt. Squash day today. So Suriluki, what's the squash score? GHXST is asking, how's your weekend been, Nick? I know that loss last week can take a toll on mindset. Hope you reset your mind and coming fresh this week. Yeah, dude, I'm totally fine. On Friday night, I was pissed. Then I actually went to the movies alone, and I got myself like every possible snack I could have gotten. My stomach hurt after, but it was nice. It was funny. It was a good way to reset. I actually watched The Running Man. Super good movie. Just came out.
I haven't seen that yet. I also actually went to the movies over the weekend. I saw Now You See Me, the one about the magicians.
Oh, I really want to go watch that with my girlfriend.
Oh, it was
because
really good.
We loved the other ones.
Yes,
one of the greatest
us too.
movies
No,
ever.
We went over the. I honestly thought, like in the beginning, I wasn't sure if all the actors were still in it, but all the OGs are in it. So
nice.
Yeah, I won't spoil it. Go and see it.
Gene is asking, they don't make white squash shirts. Well, I could buy white sports shirts, but I don't know. Like whenever it comes to like activewear, I'm always wearing like black shirts. Don't ask me why. Whenever I wore normal shirts, it's white. Yeah, Nins, there's a new one. It's in the movies right now. Let's see. Once this 15-minute candle closes, if this closes above this 320 level and we get CISD, I will take a long. What's up, Leia? How we doing? Mihailo.
Gene just said, Gene is comment just ketchup. I'm not sure what the context is, but
ketchup.
Hey, we're not going to start that on a Monday this early in the week.
Mihailo is asking, Nick, are you starting a 150K growth evaluation today? Oh, yeah, good point. I forgot about that. Wait, let me buy one really quick. Let me get one. Gotta take that as the leader then. Ooh,
Future here is asking,
can I do it in 1 minute? Can I do it in 1 minute? Because I need it. I need to enter a trade here in a minute. Oh shit, chat. Uh-oh.
Hurry up, Nick.
I might not be able to do it. I'm on it. Continue to payment. Confirm pay. Come on, do fast. Do it.
1 minute.
45
seconds.
All right, I got it. Let's see if it's already in Project X. Refresh. I have so many accounts in here now. Okay, it's in here. Wait. 0 to hero 150k. Bam. Adjust it. Copy trading. Oh no, I gotta clear everything out.
20
Shit.
seconds. Can he do it?
How much time do I have left?
20 seconds. Go, go, go.
5. Then I'm gonna copy trade all these evals. 2. And then 3, 4.
10 seconds. 9.
I can
8.
do it. I can do it. I can do it.
7.
I can do it. Chat. I can do it.
6.
I can do it. I'm in. Okay, ready.
Ooh, literally 1 second ago.
All right, I'm in along.
He did it.
Hey, chat, we did it. All right. Stop is for me below this 50-minute candle at basically like the 300 level. 301. And the plan for this trade is to just go for a 1-to-1. This is a pretty big stop.
Nice. Let's see.
Reason for the trade, chat, is just the change in state of delivery on the 50-minute coupled with the very strong bullish bias that I have for today.
Yeah, and if you zoom out of NQ, it looks like we reacted strongly to that 15-minute FVG. Looks nice.
Yeah, we did. That's the confidence I have for this trade. I mean, it could reverse here. Let's see. Once we're above 350, I'm really confident. Anything before then, I don't really see it happening.
Hey, Leah says, grabbed a loss on crude, got ticked out, and I got in again. That's, Leah, that is a pro trader. Taking that loss, getting back in, no hesitations. Awesome. Hopefully the second one works out. Hopefully.
Let's see. Future here. Is it possible to lock out Project X all the time, but the trading session or specific hours we want to trade? I mean, just do it manually. Like just go to the lockout and then hit custom and then choose how long you want to be locked out. That's the easiest way to do it. All right, let's see, chat. Who thinks we're going to hit TP on this and who thinks we're going to get stopped out? I know a couple of you are short. I just don't see any confirmation for shorts at this moment.
It's definitely the riskiest side to be on right now with NQ.
Mm-hmm. $6K says needs TP 370. For me, it's 376.50. Goodness is long. Lee says gold ripping. Wait, let's see. Yeah, okay.
Oh,
well,
we always miss this.
Yeah, but gold has been basically ripping since 12:30 a.m.
Yeah, damn. Did anyone catch longs from down there? Sheesh.
All right, so next trade, here you have it. We have 1 NQ long at 25.33875. Stop loss is at 25.301, and then TP is at 25.376.50. There we go.
Wow, scalping trades. Oh, who was it that said? Oh no, it was 6K82. I've been in since Asia at 243.50.
Ooh, that's nice. That's nice.
Nice trade.
That's clean. Pewtrade says gold is forming a perfect bearish setup. Is it? The thing that I don't like about this, Pew, is we have not swept Asia high yet. I would only call this a perfect bearish setup if we would have already swept Asia here and then we go lower. then I would fully agree. But this for me is not perfect at all.
Could just be like a little retracement.
Yeah. Well, whatever you trade, I don't know. Just for me, this is not perfect.
So most of you are in longs, huh? Everyone probably thinks I'm crazy.
That's weird
again
though.
today.
Like literally a couple of minutes ago, everybody said I'm short.
Yeah. I don't know. Everyone's in longs all of a sudden. I think they're on the 0 to hero challenge though with you. So that makes sense.
Yeah, let's see. I only took it with 1 mini though, because it's pretty big stop. Pretty big stop, yeah.
What's the stop?
How many points?
25,301.
It's a 37.5 point stop, which is quite big. But
Damn.
like we're trading a 150k account now for the 0 to hero challenge, so that's completely acceptable. That's why I only took it with 1 though.
Yeah, smart.
Let's see on the 5 minute. What's the kind of volume that we're having right now? Volume is kind of good for London session so far.
Yeah, it's pretty strong so far, especially for a Monday. I do wonder what we're going to get during the week with all this data coming out. Like, it's going to be pretty crazy. The government hasn't been shut down this long ever, so the fact we're
actually, what data is coming out this week?
Unemployment data is coming out and manufacturing data. I think unemployment data is going to have the biggest effect on the markets. That's Wednesday from memory.
Pulling up the calendar here for everybody to see. Here you go, chat. So this week, let's see. This week,
NVIDIA earnings.
High impact news. Yeah, NVIDIA earnings is coming up too. But so we have FOMC minutes on Wednesday, then NFP Thursday, but no CPI.
Gonna have to wait.
I want to make my CPI monies.
Well, it would be perfect if they give it to you in December, like right before Christmas. That'd be sweet way to end the year. Hey.
I already did all my Christmas shopping, so now I need my money back.
Actually, Christmas shopping can be for free.
Actually, this is the first time in my life where I was done with Christmas shopping over a month before Christmas. That is insane.
Yeah, that's so early. Huh?
I'm so organized this year. You can't even comprehend.
Do you have lots of people to buy for?
Yeah, but usually I'm super late. Like last week before Christmas, and then go to run to all the shops. I'm done a month and a half prior, which is insane.
That must
feel
feel
so
good.
much better, honestly. I'm gonna do it this way every year now.
Yeah, it just means you don't have to think about it, and then you can actually enjoy like Christmas.
Yeah, true.
It's a good idea.
It's funny, like this year I've been organized with, like everything has been so well organized, except I didn't file my taxes in time, and then I had to pay a fee.
Oh no, was it a big fee for Switzerland?
Well, we're in Switzerland, so.
Damn, I don't want to know. So we need that CPI money.
Yep, give me my CPI money. DHXST got stopped out at 350. Hey, respect to you, man. Tipping off my hat for being transparent and honest. That's what I like. When somebody calls out a trade, but then also says I got stopped out. I hate it when somebody goes like, by God, you can't be wrong. and then it goes against you. And he's like, I was in shorts.
We get at least one of them in the chat, don't we? Once a week.
Dominic asking, Nick, any word on major Black Friday deals for Tradeify? I know as much as you, Dominic. All I know is that Brett is very generous, and I could imagine we're going to have a sick deal, but I don't know anything.
Knowing Tradeify, it's probably going to be pretty good.
Yep.
All right. Am I getting a setup here? Potentially. If we close this 1 minute candle inverting the 1 minute FVG, guys, I will fade Nick.
Again,
I will
Celine.
be getting in short.
Guys, I got to program this AI better. I don't know, man, but
I don't know,
That
man.
AI might know something I don't.
This keeps
Getting
happening.
kind of scary here.
In all fairness, though, I haven't really been getting clean setup, so maybe I just. Oh, yep. See, no inversion, no trade. It really is just reacting to all the, even the 1 minute bullish FEGs. Like, can't get one inversion.
Hey Mara, you're welcome. I absolutely loved working with him. Such a good guy, and all his free content is fire as well. I agree. By the way, chat, let me refresh the like count really quick. We are sitting at 168 likes. We need 410 today. 410. Actually, on Wednesday, we're going to need 420, chat. You know what that means. All right, nice push. I like that.
Oh, come on.
I like that push up.
Yeah, this looks good for you.
It does. It does
Longs are looking
indeed.
very clean.
We got another 15-minute bullish candle close. Depending where it is, if we do it at like 360, I will move my stop to below this previous 15-minute candle. Go to like 323-ish.
Mm-hmm.
Just to limit my downside. Why are so many people short biased right now for NQ? Like I see people in the chat, I'm short biased. Why? It's going
I feel
up.
like I feel like it's gonna be like Friday again. Like it's just this mindset that it has to come down at some point, right? And I mean, I'm only short biased because it suits my model, but it makes me a bit uncomfortable to be shorting these markets at the moment. I agree.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I had that bias for shorts on Friday, and then it went up all the time. I was like, yeah, that wasn't the best.
Just want to see a little bit of a retracement, but
You're still looking for shorts, huh?
mm-hmm. Yes, but I'm not getting it.
Future here, that's an odd question because one thing has nothing to do with the other.
That is not a healthy question. Gold looking good for shorts? Oh, damn, it is.
I don't like it. Gold is gonna most likely respect 77 or VWAP already. Like, gold has not swept Asia highs. There's no point for me to take a short on gold right now.
It's also just sitting in a 15-minute bullish FEG at the moment. This could just completely.
But ES is coming down a bit right now. YM as well. I hope NQ doesn't follow. So what do you need, Celine, to take a short?
So to take the shorts, I need now, because we are almost 2 minutes away from this 15-minute closing, I need the next 15-minute to open wick, as in sweep the previous 15 minutes high, which is sitting at this high 25,352.25. I need that level swept, and then an inversion on the 1 minute, and then I'd be getting in. But potentially we could just be going lower from here. But yeah, no setup yet for me. We've already swept previous 4-hour high. So for me, and we're also in that daily bearish FVG. So potentially a level we could reject.
Let's see. MMXM says that was my girlfriend's different account who asked that question. Imagine, that would be funny. That would be funny.
Judas Joe asks, Celine, do you also have 40 funded accounts like Nick? No, unfortunately not. I'm not at that level. I don't even know how I'd be able to like balance them all, really. Like, it's a bit of a skill. One day.
You'll get there. If we can hold this 25 level on NQ, I'm going to be very confident. If not, then not so much. Future here says in short now. Okay.
Okay. And Vince, the 15-minute sweep just has to be the previous 15-minute. So yes, we do have it in, as you can see, the current 15-minute swept the previous 15 minutes high, but that candle's about to close and I didn't get the inversion within those first 10 minutes. So I prefer to have the sweep, and then in the first 10 minutes after that 15-minute candle open, I want to see the inversion to get into the momentum and trade lower, but we didn't have it. So there's a higher chance that we open at the 3:30 candle, go higher, sweep, and then come down again. That's what I'm looking for.
Chat, sometimes I just really love to see your comment activity on the channel, because Future here, literally, the last 3 comments were, don't worry, it will hit full TP when I ask what my trade is going to do. And then that was the third last comment, and the last comment was, in short now. So, hey, make up your mind.
It's fading now.
I love it. You guys are funny. Yeah, as before, silver swept Asia high, but then I would prefer to take a silver trade, not gold.
Celine, when you say swept, do you mean trade above or below, or do you mean above or below and back inside range? It just needs to trade above or below. There doesn't need to be any sort of closure. It just needs to trade above. And I trade in that live 15-minute candle. I don't need it to close to get in short.
Ozempic says he's terrified of having his comment history checked by me.
I feel like now we need to get it up.
Yeah, I'm actually in it right now, looking at it. Dude, you comment so much. I fucking love you, man. You're so funny.
He also has the best comments.
Yeah, he does have the best comments for sure. Yeah, bulls are losing momentum at this time, Pankaj, but I'm still confident in this trade. For me, the only way this trade gets invalidated is once it takes me out, because then we sweep this important low at 302. And if that happens, then I'm not interested. But until then, I'm chilling.
Yeah, I agree. This could just be a little pullback. Still doesn't look like it's got strong momentum to the downside.
Yeah.
GHXST, Nick, your TP will hit. I'm looking for short still, but just no setup. I'm with you. No setup yet. Oh, yeah. 44 says, time for the best strategy. Meat, ketchup, and magnet. You haven't got your chicken magnet up.
Actually, chat, I had that for dinner last night. Beef fillet and ketchup. Hell yeah. It was great.
Oh, my gosh.
Let's see. We're still respecting that 325 level on NQ for now. That holds. Like, we're golden on this. ES did now this, just did this nice fair value gap sweep, so respected it. I'm still very confident in longs. Look what gold's doing, chat. I said before, it's likely going to respect VWAP BPAP and the 77 EQ. Could it push down? Yes, of course. However, I do not expect it to come down. Let me actually look at silver, because a couple of you mentioned silver. So yeah, silver did sweep Asia high. So if I would take a short on any of these metals, I would take it on silver. However, I said I'm not interested in shorts right now.
Suriluki.
Too long anyways.
Lunch today. I actually had... so last night I went out to a restaurant and had a nice wood-fired pizza, but I couldn't finish it all. So I took it home, and that was my lunch today.
Yeah, Joker, you know, man. He had beef fillet and ketchup with me.
No way. Is he one of those?
Oh, hell yeah.
Ketchup with steak.
You know, the people who know. And the people who say it doesn't taste great, they just never had it.
Where is the button to ban? Why don't I have that privilege? No. Joker, you need to leave.
You're AI. I'll ban you soon. Suriluki, yeah, today, squash. And Dominic, the like goal for today is 410. So if you haven't already, make sure you smack that like button's face.
You know what I would have more understanding for? Like steak with maybe barbecue sauce.
Nah.
That would make a bit more sense.
Ooh, lame.
Tomato sauce just...
Tomato sauce, she calls it. It's fucking ketchup. What are you talking about?
No, you can call it tomato sauce. Didn't you call tomato sauce ever?
Yeah, my ketchup is tomato sauce, yeah.
What? It's literally called that. Guys, chat, back me up. Some people call ketchup tomato sauce. Or is that an Aussie thing?
Yeah, that seems to be an Aussie thing.
Chat, don't leave me.
Funny. You're not yours as tomato.
Oh no. I'm not the meme here, guys. It's definitely Nick's steak and ketchup. That's the meme. Tomato sauce. Tomato sauce.
Yeah, exactly, Royal.
No.
Tomato sauce goes on pasta. That's what's up.
No, we call that Oh yeah, I see. No, emotion arts. Yes, tomato sauce equals ketchup. Thank you. Thank you.
Vivek says worst curly hair. She's in New York, not in London. What are you talking about?
What does the previous state data say, Joker? Oh my gosh. When did I become the meme here?
Well, you just walked straight into that.
Hey, in South Africa, it's tomato sauce. Tommy sauce. All right, well, some of you get it.
Tommy sauce. Oh, chat. Chat. All right, gold is now at that EQ 4077. That's the previous hourly's equilibrium, so 50% point. If this holds, you're looking golden for shorts. But if it doesn't hold, you look golden for shorts. But if it holds,
Damn it, NQ. I really wanted to get that sweep of that previous 15 high.
Yeah, it's building up here. It's building up for that next leg.
What are we doing?
Question is just if this next leg is going to go up or down. Especially because, like, if we look at ES is holding as well. YM is trying to push higher, so I still like this. Vivek, appreciate you. I do work hard, but I love working hard. Especially like, first of all, I love trading. I could literally trade every single day, all day. But then also working with Tradeify, doing the live streams, etc. Like, I just love it. I just love what I do. So it doesn't feel like working hard, even though I do work hard.
Agreed. It doesn't even feel like this is a job. Like,
wait, you're getting paid?
Wait, what? When you love what you do, guys, that's when you know you're in the right. When it doesn't feel like work.
VDM, what happens if we already have 5 active accounts, funded accounts, and we win one? Well, if you have 5 fundeds and you win one, you can't trade it. You just basically have it on reserve. But if you only have 5 evals, then you can definitely add one more. That doesn't matter. Let's see.
Christian says EQ is now at a 50% fib of the previous day candle. Let's mark that up.
WN says AIs get a salary. No, she just gets her monthly subscription fee.
Do I even get that?
Well, your owner gets it, and that's me, so.
And you just use that to buy more ketchup. I get it.
Exactly. No, I don't buy ketchup. I buy tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
I like this push. If we can close through 350, I'm very confident in this trade. Close about 350.
Oh, I sort of wanted to sweep here. I wanted to just get there and turn around NASDAQ.
I want to money gun the shit out of this trade.
Oh, there's a pop.
Like a 50-minute candle close around 360 would be nice. Yes, exactly like that.
Oh,
Exactly like that, chat. That's what we like.
well. Anyone still in the shorts?
Yo, Dennis, you're getting a timeout for that one. Think about what you just asked. Timeout for 24 hours. Come back tomorrow. Will we move break even, Chris?
Corey, okay.
No, not yet.
Corey,
Not
definitely
yet.
don't agree with the ketchup, as Celine made it so worse when she said barbecue on steak. What? It's definitely got more of like the meaty flavor. Like, who wants to put pureed tomatoes on a steak? Make it make sense.
Ozempic. Well. As said, chat, if we get this 15-minute bullish candle closure, I will move my stop below the previous 15-minute at like 323-ish. So that way we limit our downside risk to about 15 points.
You know what's super weird? Gold is moving in the complete opposite with NQ, and I feel like all of last week they were moving in sync, and now like gold is just continuing to dump.
Lol WN, thanks for explaining, but still a valid ban, as you see that too. Let's see. Graphene says, not a big fan of the ranging trend upwards. Well, I'm a big fan because I'm in a long. Trader Shop says, come on, Nick, hit TP so I can get a damn pullback.
Agreed. Come on, we need that pullback.
Gold is still holding that 4,077 level, chat. Be careful if you're in shorts here. YM just made a new high here. ES as well. I like it. Chat, I like it. Stein Paradox, trading the 50-minute chart today simply because my bias is strongly bullish. And if I trade a strong bullish bias on a 3-minute chart, I tend to still get stopped out because I get wicks, right, to the downside. So I rather focus on the higher time frame narrative of the 15-minute. We did tap into this nice fair value gap, held it, had a strong push out, had a change in state of delivery, so it just made sense for me to trade on that time frame. Still would love to get this 15-minute candle closure above 360. That would be ideal for me.
If you zoom out on the 1 hour chat, there's ever since we had that massive reversal happen on Friday in the New York session, we created that 1 hour bullish FEG. We came down, retraced into it at market open this week, and looks like it's just a continuation off that level. But I do agree. I would love to see some sort of pullback and then continuation higher.
The Trader Shop. I love it. I love your comment. You know, funny enough, I didn't use any product in my hair this morning. That is still from like yesterday morning. And then I went to sleep and I woke up like this. It's so funny. Like my hair literally just stays like this. I can't change it.
No way.
I just can't change it. I do this once in the morning and I'm good.
That needs to be studied. I don't know what's happening.
Like, here comes the even crazier part. I already was at the gym today. I was already sweating and it still stays. I'm like, what the hell? I don't get it.
What
but
the hell? It's
works.
fake hair, guys. Is Nick actually the AI here?
Maybe.
His hair must be fake.
Maybe.
It's a wig.
Ozempic says Nick's hair is 3D printed.
I'm with you, Ozempic.
Well, epic trades, but how is your dad's hair and your granddad's hair? Because my dad still has the same hair, my granddad still has the same hair, so Well, Hell Saint, I do use like it's called a modeling paste. It's kind of like wax. But I said the last time I put that in was yesterday morning. Robot says he's Beyonce. He wakes up like corrupt. That's the cow that licked you.
What? I don't even understand.
Oh, chat,
Some of
you're
your
funny.
comments, guys.
You guys are funny. Okay,
They
chat.
want the
Look, I'm
sauce.
gonna share with you the hair wax that I use.
Yeah, they want all the secrets.
It's from L'Oreal, actually. Wait, let me see. I don't know if you have that in your country, but here on my chart.
Yeah, L'Oreal's worldwide.
Here you go.
L'Oreal is
This is the one, chat. This is the one. Here
there you go, guys. If you want perfect hair like Nick, go and buy it. Not sponsored.
This is the secret, chat. All right, we did get a bullish 50-minute candle close, did we? Yeah, we did. All right. Moving my stop below 325 now to 323. So definitely risking way less now. Only risking 16 points to make 37.5. The worst case, we lose $315 on this trade.
Nice.
Web nomads. Maybe Nick is born with it. Maybe it's Maybelline. Maybe.
So your hair's always been like this?
Yeah. Like I once had like long hair, and that looked so funny because then
like
I kind of look
long?
like a guinea pig.
What?
Yeah,
Wait, how long was it? Like shoulder length?
No, well, they would be if they're. Nah, not shoulder length. Well, let me pull up a photo. Wait, I'll find it.
Guys, get ready to screenshot.
Yeah, this shit is funny, chat. This shit is real funny. I looked so funny with this. Let's see. At that time, I was still doing parkour. And yes, I know what the shirt says. So
what a long
why don't
way
you
you've
bring
come.
that up? Here you go, chat.
No way. There is no way that's you.
That was a long time ago, though. That was in 2000. That was January 15th, 2012.
That does not look like you. And wait, your hair's like a completely different color.
What?
I feel like your hair is a completely different color now.
Yeah, but it's also the sun, you know? It's like the sun shining into it, golden hour. That makes it orangey.
Oh my god, I can't believe that's you.
Ozempic says that was a helmet to protect from eventual parkour falls. My grandma has the same haircut.
Oh no. Get ready for the road.
Oh, chat. Anakin Skywalker. Hey, I dig that. Nice. I like that. Oh god. But then I also had like super short hair. Well, let me pull that up too.
Yeah, Chris, that was definitely the Justin Bieber phase. Nick, you went through a Justin Bieber phase.
Hey, it seems like it. It seems like it. Do I have a photo with like super short hair? No. No, not really. Well. I don't like how we're almost always around my break-even point on this trade. We've literally been in this for 30 minutes and we're sitting at break-even right now.
Yeah, I mean, it was looking good. We're starting to sort of...
good.
It hasn't broken or...
Paul, that's a valid question. Did Justin Bieber go through a Nick phase? Who knows?
I see what you're thinking, Paul. Also, someone said you look like, you know, Harry Styles from One Direction?
Yeah.
Like when he was young. I totally agree.
No idea how he looked when he was young, but I mean, everybody had hair like this at that time, no?
Yeah, that's a thing. Trends just keep on changing. Like, who knows what it's going to be in like 10 years? Maybe guys are going to have long hair and girls are going to have short hair. Who knows?
Update my stop loss text. Okay, here you go. I keep the initial stop loss text still. My stop loss right now is 25,323. So here you have it updated, chat. Oh, damn, that was a good sneeze.
I still don't see like bearish confluence yet. It still looks like it's holding. Like, just even looking at the 1 minute, the swing lows are holding. We keep making higher lows. There hasn't been any sort of break of major market structure. So still looks good.
Yeah. Let's see, chat. Let's see. I forgot the magnet graphene. Oh, shit. You're right.
Oh, and the chicken.
Well, last time I did that, it didn't end well.
True.
But today we're just going to do naked charts. I like this candle, I must say. I really like this candle.
Nice, Mitzi. Made 1,400 across 2 accounts. So going back to bed. See you in New York. Well done.
Nice. Where are we at with the like count, chat? We are sitting at 272 likes with 444 people, angel number, watching. So get us to 410 and we're going to do a giveaway. So if you haven't already, make sure you smack that like button's face. It's free, it's fun, and it's the best use of your time on a Monday morning.
And it takes 1 second to hit that like button.
Yep.
We know you want to do it. GHXST Sling will get our shorts after Nick hits TP. I hope so. I really hope so.
Riluki, my current squash score, let me look it up. Your current squash score is... wait. 69-40. So I won 69 times and he won 40 times. We've been playing squash for a while now because we don't go more than once a week. And that's 109 games. And we haven't even tracked since the beginning. We've been doing this for a couple of years now. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if I can steal myself another free lunch today.
Who picks the lunch, or is it just always sushi?
It's always sushi. We always go to the same place. I mean, you can order what you want at that place. There's other things, but it's most of the times it's sushi. More often than not. Nacho Libre says, made 350 already, quick in and out. Nice, congrats.
Nice. Also, love your name. That's like one of the funniest movies.
I haven't seen that.
With Jack Black.
Jack Black is funny anyways.
Classic, yeah.
Dorian, hey Nick, how do you manage 40 accounts? Well, I just copy trade them. And I trade one and off we go. Jin Maya says, I need $1,000 to pass in 1 week. Well, don't focus on passing in 1 week. Focus on trading your system, process over profits, and forget about the time. The gold is still holding that level, chat. Going to be very careful with your shorts here.
Few trades, gold hit 1.98R and stopped me at 1.5. Lol. It's annoying when that happens, but I mean, you still got the W.
You still got
a win.
1.5R. You made more than you would have lost, and you didn't lose anything. So
exactly.
Once we get a new change in state of delivery here on NQ, meaning like on the 5 minute, we close higher than 57. I will move my stop just below this 5 minute wick. So my stop loss will be like 2 or 3 points at that time. Basically just trailing my stop with new changes instead of delivery. What's up, Camille? How you doing? Mario, to trade multiple props, best trade copy right now is Trade Sinker, in my opinion.
So chat, for me to get in shorts, I'm going to wait now for, since we're 5 minutes out from the new hourly open, I'll wait for the 4 a.m. candle to open. Hopefully trade higher, sweep out this level at 359.75, and then we shall see the dump, hopefully.
You just love fading me, huh?
But I do hope, Nick, I want you to get your TP, and then like someone said in the chat before, then we dump it.
Which XST
and then the rest of us. And then then we get on those shorts.
Fall4 says, Nick, please inform the devs that we need a fishing rod emoji to push the price up. Well, there is one, no? I would say there is one in sports. Let's see. Yeah, here you go. There you go. On the charts now. Gotta pull up that fish. That's the strategy. Oh, I see. Gotta pull that fish out. There we go. Agent Maya, we appreciate you watching. Good to have you here. Aditya, is NQ 25,500 possible today? Yeah, I mean, everything's possible.
Yeah.
One Trump tweet, then you're there.
Literally. I'm sort of scared that Trump's going to be back now and saying some crazy things this week.
I'll take a screenshot of this again, chat, and I'll put it on Twitter. And then you can go vote. Let's see. This hits or not. No. I moved my...
Chat, who else is waiting for these shorts? Am I the only crazy one? Nick, Insta handle is Celine.trades.
Let's see.
I can type it.
All right, chat. I did just tweet this. Make sure to click that link really quick that I put in the chat. Go on Twitter and say if we're going to get the fish or not. Are we going to get the fish or not? Let's see. Sign up. Unfortunately, I can't do anything about the blur on the charts because that's just the streaming quality, but that's why I put the numbers here in big text so you can see it.
Yeah, the trader shop. Also, me too. I'm not going to be looking for some massive, like, big rotation lower in these shorts today. Only just looking to get a scalp and then jump out, because I totally agree with Nick that we're going higher today.
Wait a second, Celine. If you agree with me that we're going higher, why are you not looking for longs?
Well, because even though we can be pushing higher on the higher time frame, I still think I can get a piece of the shorts in the little retracements on this lower time frame.
But why would you if the odds are not in your favor?
Well, because that's the system, Nick. I can't deviate. I also think that
long says you can only take shorts.
Yeah, literally. No, not all the time, but when
you don't take longs ever.
No, as in today's, like, because of what's happened today, because we traded higher than the 4 hour.
I was like, wait, what?
No, not never. I've definitely taken longs, but for me to be in longs, we would have had to have swept the previous 4 hour, and we didn't.
I see.
So it's a bit stiff.
So you only ever look at the previous 4 hour, and everything before that doesn't matter to you.
Yeah, and that forms my bias for the London session. Yes.
I see.
Because even if, like, yes, the daily chart still gives me some sort of like information, but I don't look to it for like a strong bias. But it just so happens that we actually are in a daily bearish FVG. So it sort of goes along with what I'm looking for. But
Let's see.
no, I don't use it as like a confluence.
Got it.
That makes sense.
Got it. We might get this 5-minute bullish close above 57, maybe in 20 seconds. If we do, I said I'm gonna trail my stop to the change in state of delivery, like the low of that, 336. Hey, we got Drew in the chat. Damn. What's up, Drew?
What time is it over there,
Go
Drew?
to sleep, dude. What are you doing? Go to sleep.
Drew, are we going up or down?
Chat, can we get a Drew in the chat? Because he's here. Our legendary New York time producer. Put a Drew in the chat. Come on. Everybody, do it. Big shout out.
Drew. Oh, it's only one there.
Oh yeah, true. He's in the West Coast right now. He's in the West Coast.
I'm literally on the other side of the world. It's 5 p.m. where I am. That's crazy.
Insane. That's literally insane. For him, it's 1 a.m. and for you, it's 5 p.m. I'm somewhere in the middle with 10 a.m.
Tradeify is just global like that.
It is. Hey, Drew, have a good night and a safe flight tomorrow.
Yeah, have a safe flight. I'm guessing Miami tomorrow, is it? Or maybe not.
I fly.
Good night.
I fly on Thursday. I think he's going somewhere else first.
Okay.
And again, we're coming back to the break-even point. Chat, this trade sucks. I was so confident that we're going to push up, but this seems like a 9 a.m. UK volume reversal.
That's what we like to see.
No, not really. I'm in a short. I'm in a long. I want to get my fish, chat. Yeah, this is likely going to come stop us out.
25,323.
Yup, chat. We're toast. We are toast. I didn't see that it was 9 a.m. I didn't see the hourly. Shit. Should have paid attention. Should have paid attention. Yeah, we're done. We are done, chat. Oh, not yet.
Wait.
No, but this is going to stop me out. If this doesn't stop me out, then that would be crazy. Yeah, there we go. All right. Out of this, unfortunately, I didn't see that it was the hour, top of the hour coming up. No fish for me today.
No fishies.
I'll update that on Twitsies.
Chat, we didn't get the sweep of the previous 15-minute high. Can't enter. This would have been nice.
That one sucks. Should have paid attention. Because the hourly, like 9 a.m. reverses so often. So
yeah,
often.
the 9 a.m. Damn. It was looking good. It's annoying.
Yeah, we were up. The max we were up was with 61. Yeah, 22 points. I got stopped up for 16, so that's all right.
At least you reduced the risk.
Yep.
Damn,
straight down, chat. Straight down.
Damn, I just noticed that ES had that sweep. We actually had SMT. No. That was an SMT at the highs that I missed.
Oh, yeah, true. True. Well, so be it.
Good thing it's Monday and we have the rest of the week to trade. So anyone who's not in these shorts, don't chase it. Just wait for your setup. It's only Monday.
Fair value gap between 280 and 247 on the 15-minute. That is going to be interesting. That aligns with Golden Pocket.
280.
Let's see. Where are we at with the like count, chat? Let's see. We are at 446 likes. Damn. Shit, you guys delivered.
Yeah.
You delivered. All right. We're going to do a giveaway in about 10 minutes here.
Hey, Trader Shop up 40 points on the shorts. Looking for level 25, 228. 22. Damn, 228. Okay.
Okay.
That would be all the way back down to that previous 4-hour low.
By the way, Chad, I'm still looking for longs, not for shorts. Just saying. Because just one big bearish candle doesn't change my bias at all.
So what would you need to look for shorts in this kind of market? Or is there nothing?
I mean, for me, like when it's a strong uptrend, what I would need is that this 4-hour candle right now that we're in closes bearish. Then I can start looking for shorts. Anything prior to that, I'm just looking for longs.
Okay.
Just not interested in shorts at all right now. Ooh, imagine we would have left our original stop loss. This would have bottom ticked us and would be 18 points higher again now. Oof. Oof.
Damn. Nice, Trader Shop. Did you get I'm guessing you got stopped in profit? Stopped out. You're up 40 points just before.
Why I'm respecting VWAP BPAP. ES had a strong push down.
Yeah, my setup played out on ES, which is annoying because I only trade NQ, but it technically set up as a SMT. So that trade was valid. I just missed the SMT.
If this fair value gap gets respected, we might get another long entry.
On the 15-minute fair value gap?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What should I have here?
Andres, I left the original stop loss. Nick, I got stopped out. Damn. Probably would have been stopped just to the tick.
Mm-hmm. That hurts.
Damn.
Why did you leave the original stop, Andres? Interested to hear your perspective. Need rate. You get gold medal today. Indicator is called TTFM Pro Plus. Christian, my strategy that I trade is the fractal model. If you go on YouTube and you type in T-Trades fractal model, there's plenty of free resources that explain it in detail. That's the fastest summary I can give you. I still like this for the longs, I'm telling you.
This was probably just a move to freak out all the buyers, and then
Yeah.
And Q's just gonna freak out all the sellers.
I would like a bit of a deeper pullback into like the 280s. PLN says too early for vodka. Never too early. The Business Lens says Nick's strategy is thrash. What is thrash? should learn to hate without typos. Makes you more believable.
Okay, Andreas said his strategy was to move stop loss to break even, needed to reach 1-to-1 and then close there. Fair enough. Okay, GHXST has an update for us. Celine and Nick entered second position for NQ shorts. I entered 25,356. 25,356. Okay. Pretty much that high. And then stops were at 25,400, TP 24,834. 24,834. Last trade for London sent this message before the dump. Check this time earlier. All right. Thanks for the update. We appreciate the honesty and we will check in with you later.
Hell yeah, we
Hope
will.
you get there. The good news says the longs are incoming. Let's see.
They better be incoming.
Right now, we're just in this 5-minute bearish FVG.
We are.
It still just looks like an ugly wick on the 15.
Mm-hmm. We just swept the previous 30-minute candle low and the previous hour low. It's the same wick, basically.
Also tapped into that bullish FVG. It looks ugly for shorts. Not gonna lie.
Let's see.
So I think a few people are back in the longs.
Yeah, we're still respecting EQ, but I do like the longs still. My bias is still long. I'm thinking about a re-entry here, actually.
What would be your confirmation? Would you need the CISD on the 3-minute?
No, that would be too late. That would be too late.
Do you ever trade 1 minute?
No, not anymore. I did for the longest time. On the 1 minute, this looks like a little bear flag here.
Yeah, I can see that. I entered long at 329 after the inversion of the 1 minute.
It does have bear flag vibes. But still, overall bullish bias, so.
Damn, we've got 15 minutes left, chat. Are we going to get a trade? Come on.
Well, I mean, while we wait, let's run a giveaway. What do you think?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Always down for a giveaway.
Chat, if you want to take part in this giveaway, you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and I will send you a link to the Google form in the chat here in a second. I will post it like 10 times so you can't miss it. Once I send that, fill it out, but only fill it out once. If you fill the form out more than once, you will get disqualified, all right? So everybody, luck. Here's the form.
Good luck, guys. May the odds be ever in your favor.
Yep. Let's see who wins this one.
Four-hour FVG. Someone in the chat said we're tapped into the 4-hour FVG, but maybe I am.
Yeah, that's the
not
one
seeing that.
I said. I talked about in the market analysis in the beginning.
The one that we're the bearish 4-hour FVG that we're currently in?
No, sorry, not the 4-hour. The daily is what I was
Yeah,
talking
they're talking
about.
about a 4-hour FVG.
I don't see a 4-hour FVG.
Confused.
There is none. I mean, we did at 6 p.m. on Sunday Eastern.
Interesting.
Interesting. Oh yeah, this is very interesting.
Very interesting.
Got to pick a winner in 2 minutes and 36 seconds when this 3-minute candle closes. Chat.
All right, I would love to see us now create this 15-minute bearish FVG, and then let's make that FVG a level that we then tap into and then get the bearish move down. That would be ideal for me.
Or just get
Because
on
if you
side
then-
with the longs.
Or I just don't fade bread and then
Hey.
everything's sweet, huh?
Yeah, that's just the way to do it, you know? The way to do it. Let's see. What do we have in the chat here? By the way, here on gold, we're still holding that 4,077 level. That's now we're consolidating, so I'm not gonna say I told you so, but I told you so.
But hey.
But hey, can't deny. Can it go lower? Yeah, absolutely. But I do not expect it to go lower. Yeah, Nilay, that's the one I just said. That bullish fair value gap, but that was at 6 p.m. yesterday. Eastern time. All right, winner for the giveaway. We will pick in 1 minute and 7 seconds.
Oh, I see. No, they're talking about we actually are in a bearish FVG on the 4-hour on ES.
Oh, on ES. I was looking at.
I didn't
Thank you.
see that. Yeah, so was
Yeah, true.
I.
On ES we are, but
Yeah, it looks like that level's still holding on ES, but interesting. Well, I'm still looking for shorts in this, guys, but I will wait until we get a sweep of the previous 15, which doesn't look like we're going to get it in this candle. But so I would prefer to wait for this FVG to confirm at well, actually, you guys will be gone. It'll confirm at 4:30 Eastern time, and then hopefully I get a trade in after that. But I will post if I do enter after the stream.
he's gonna keep you updated, chat. All right, let's see. Let's pick a winner for the giveaway. Just gonna copy everybody over to our good old trusted Wheel of Names.
Da, 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 da.
That the sound it made? Here you go. All right. Winner of the 50K growth account. If it is you, make sure you tag me in the chat so I can actually see that you're there and claim your prize. The winner is. Let's see. Priya Mishra. Priya Mishra. Make sure you type something in the chat really quick. Priya. Congrats.
Congrats, Priya.
You just won a 50K growth account.
Nice way to start the week.
VDM says, Nick, you sound so Swiss, and it's a compliment when you say 1 minute and 7 seconds. Hey, we take our time seriously, chat. We do.
Is that a Swiss thing? I didn't know.
Just everything to the second. You're not Priya. Why are you lying?
Priya's here.
Hey,
Me.
Priya's here. Nice. Just me. Priya, congrats. Make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description so we can reach out to you and send you your free account. It takes up to 7 days to receive that account, so please give us some time. Thank you. Congrats. All right, NQ is coming lower.
And we do look like we're going to confirm this 15-minute FVG in about 10 minutes.
Or we just push higher from here. And it was a fake out.
That is true.
Who knows, chat? Who knows?
What are we going to do?
Still got the 300 level. And 300 has been holding. See?
That is true.
Just did it again. It just did it again. I'm still looking for longs, chat. No shortsies for me.
No shortsies.
Nope. Row, yes, I use a session beep up. So basically like from 6 p.m. open Eastern time.
Vid says Celine makes my candle bullish. What?
Abba, yeah, Vid, thanks for that. Banned for 24 hours. The Abba, I'm in Switzerland too. Nice.
Oh, I just got what he said. Oh my God.
I was like, why do you read that?
I'm really slow sometimes. That was a weird comment. Celine, can you explain how you look for re-entries? Very interested in knowing your approach. Okay, so I just stick to this very, what I call, simple mechanical approach in the London session. And basically, once we get a sweep of either the 4-hour high or the 4-hour low, my bias is determined. So right now in today's session, we have traded higher than the previous 4-hour high. So I call that a sweep. And then all I need to enter and keep entering is a sweep of the previous 15-minute high, which is aligned now with the sweep of the previous 4-hour high, and a 1-minute inversion. So that would be an inversion of a bullish FVG to tell me now that there's some sort of bearish momentum and sellers are stepping in. So I haven't actually had that, even though we've had all these little sweeps of the previous 15-minute, there hasn't been any confirmation. So that's why I don't just trade based off any sweep of any levels. So it needs to be 4-hour, 15, and then 1 minute also aligned, because yeah, we could get a sweep and then we could just continue higher. And all we've been seeing on the 1 minute is pretty much all these high lows forming, and then also 1 minute FVGs being respected and not inverted. So I can just keep taking those setups all the way from the 4-hour open, from 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. And then, yeah, I just keep getting entries off like that. So it is sort of like a scalping sort of system.
Haba says it's confusing to see your bearish candles are green. They're not green, they're blue.
Oh, on mine, my bearish are black.
Or turquoise. Yeah, I think he's referring to mine though.
All right.
See, that 300 level is still holding. Telling you this is going higher.
Is it full port time?
Higher.
On a Monday?
We need more. Full port Mondays?
Could be.
Hey, anything can and will happen, right? Anything can and will happen. See, gold held that 77 level and is now pushing higher again. Told you this level needs to hold. And if it holds, the bears will get wrecked.
But we don't want the bears getting wrecked on NQ.
Look, here's what I could see. Here's what I could see on NQ happen for today is that we just like kind of stay in this area now between London high and London low, or like at least I'm gonna mark this on the chart here. At least like anywhere between here until New York opens, and then we're gonna get a real move. Because we already made a pretty big move at 2 a.m. Right, 2 a.m. That candle that was kind of insane, going from where's 2 here? 2 a.m. low up to here was 95 points within about 20 minutes. So that was a big move.
Yeah, we got the push from there. That's why I'm hoping to sort of get in some sort of retracement now, pull back, and then New York is probably going to pump higher again, but it'd be nice to have some sort of
Probably
short. I'll quickly draw what I'm looking for. I've got my brush out. So I would like, now that we're still holding this 15-minute FEG, I would like us to, when we close in 5 minutes, this 15-minute candle, for the new 15-minute candle to come up, sweep into this FEG. We could come up as high as long as we're respecting that midpoint level of this 15-minute bearish FEG. We would then have our sweep of the previous 15-minute high, and then I would like to get in lower from here. So the only entry I would be looking for is a 1-minute inversion, as I normally say, and then that would be my setup. And I'd just be targeting 2R. There's no sort of level that I'm looking at, really, because I still think it's still a bit of a riskier trade to be in shorts in this market when there's so many bullish FEGs. It's sort of like a B plus setup for me. Yeah, sort of like B plus to A setup to be shorting into bullish FEGs. Like Nick said, this 2 a.m. push that we had still looks like a pretty strong place for price. So, but I'm trading evals, so I am happy to take it either way.
fair. Still holding 300. Once it breaks 300, well, then we'll see. But until then
dump it if we break 300.
No, I'm still bullish on the day. Are there still retracements on a bullish day? Yeah, absolutely. But my bias is bullish.
Mm-hmm.
All right, last 3 minutes here. Let's see what this candle does.
Oh, that was a bit of a push. I do think if we close below 300, it's a good sign. This is all the 1 minute. We just keep leaving wicks here. Doesn't want to go lower.
To be fair, we did get a change in state of delivery on the 5 minute to the downside. But as long as this 300 holds, I mean, I could see this run up to 350 again within the next 10 minutes.
Well, anything can happen.
But it's too risky to take a trade here for me. So just wait. Wait and see, baby.
Chris says, sounds like a good beer name, Full Port Mondays. Interesting.
FPM. Very interesting, these buying wicks here on the 3 minute. Very, very interesting.
Yeah, the 1 minute also. Very wicky.
Wiki. Yeah, but for me, yeah, I will not get a setup here anymore. So chat, thank you all for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Has been fun, as it usually is. Of course, tune in again today at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time for the New York stream. And then, of course, tomorrow at 8 a.m. UK time for another London session stream. Celine, any last words from your end?
Yeah, thanks for joining us on this beautiful Monday. I hope that you guys took some profits out of the market, or even if you did take a loss, just get back in if you got your setup or move on. It's still Monday, guys. We still have like literally 5 more or 4 more days of the week to trade. So if you need to step away. But I'm still looking for short. So I will leave you guys updated after the stream. If I do enter anything, I will post it on my socials. But thanks for being here. We love having you guys.
Chat, put a W in the chat if you loved the stream. Put an L in the chat if you absolutely hated it. We enjoyed it, and we'll see you later. Peace out.